Welcome to Product Critique, where we review the latest tech to help you make informed decisions. Today, we're diving into the best Sony XBR Remote available on the market. This remote is designed specifically for Sony TVs from 2019 to 2023, including the XR, XBR, and KD series. It's packed with features that elevate your TV viewing experience. First up, advanced voice control powered by Bluetooth. It allows precise, long-distance commands to enhance your interaction with the TV. You can seamlessly access popular streaming services like Netflix, YouTube, Prime Video, and Disney Plus with dedicated hotkeys, right at your fingertips. The remote boasts a sleek design that complements your Sony TV setup effortlessly. It's easy to pair. Simply insert two AAA batteries and follow the on-screen instructions. Compatible with a wide range of Sony voice remote controls. This model ensures you enjoy hassle-free operation tailored to your entertainment needs. With a 1-year full warranty, you're covered for any unexpected issues. Tyson's Technologies, the trusted seller, guarantees your satisfaction. Whether you're replacing an old remote or seeking enhanced functionality, this Sony XBR Remote stands out for its performance and reliability. That wraps up our review. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more insightful reviews on Product Critique. Thanks for watching.